Somebody once told me that Jesus was the way, the truth, and the life. I believed it and got baptized. Now my new gang leader's Jesus Christ. I'm Willie Ramos, the remnant within the remnant. I preach to the criminal element, still sound eloquent like Apollos. I bring hope to all the desperados, like kids with guns in their hands and beer bottles. I'm passing steps to Christ out in front of bodegas, to all the hooligans, the pimps and the players. My mission fills the street corners, ghettos and the alleys. I'm warning hoods, we living in Earth's grand finale. So go tell your peoples from East Los to Puerto Rico, God's son walked the earth, now stay tuned for the sequel. Soon the Messiah will come back to the rescue and finally get rid of all the evil that men do. So what set you claim and tell me who you be with? Are you allies with the armies of darkness or with Jesus? Think about it, we living in the last pages. Imagine walking gold streets with white Timbs and loose shoelaces. As for me, I carry that bloodstained banner, then fold it up and use it as a bandana. May my life or my death glorify the name of Prince Emmanuel, even if I'm tackled by the forces of hell. Cause somebody once told me that Jesus was the way, the truth, and the life. I believed it and got baptized. Now my new gang leader's Jesus Christ.